Okay guys, just continue watching and I will show you how to make this do-it-yourself mousetrap or rat trap, the modern type of mousetrap or rat trap in the year 2020. And this is the Urban Plant Grower welcomes you to my YouTube channel. Hello guys, good afternoon to all of you. This is the Urban Plant Grower and today we are here in the rooftop garden and we will do some activity today, and what we will do is to make mouse trap, do it yourself mouse trap to catch the mouse in our house. Some rats are invading our home and we will catch them all. Okay, so let's go to the workshop and we will start doing the do-it-yourself simple and easy mouse trap with an empty plastic bottle. Okay, let's go. These are the materials we will be using to make do-it-yourself mouse trap or rat trap, and we will be needing some tools like drill, roller, pencil, plywood, our saw, and also we need to use the hammer, and also we'll be using electric soldering iron to make hole for the empty plastic bottle. So now we'll be assembling and making the do-it-yourself very simple mouse trap or rat trap. Okay,
let's start now. So first we have to measure the stand. We'll make the stand, and okay, probably we can take this one or that one, and we will use this one. Okay, stand there, there, so like that. Okay, so there is already a line here, so I will cut this one by saw. Okay. Okay, we already take the part one, so we will use this one as the stand. Yeah. So we plan first. Some dust is attached to the board, so we will clean the sides. In the area. So this is it. And then we will do so we will measure. What will do like this now? No, it should be like this. So the string will be there, and this one. Okay. 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 So we will trim this one to make it more straight. Okay. Then take this one. we will use this as I think it's better if we will cut this one into two. We will cut this one into two. This will be the sides. The holder, two will be holder of this plastic bottle. Okay. So it's very hard to. What we will do is to put nail, so the hot nail will be holder. It's very hard to sew this area because it has very little space, and we need to put nail so it will be held. So I can easily cut this one by saw. So it's very hard to cut this wood. So I can cut that. Okay, that's it. So we will remove the nail so we can use it. Okay. So we clean the edges of this one. This is the bottom, and this is the top. And we will put the swing holder. Okay. We will remove this one. What happened to the flower? So we will put here. Okay, now look, it is already swimming. Yeah. So it will be like this, and when the rat mouse go inside here, it will click like this. Tong! Now it's time to fix here in the wood. Okay, so Now we will drill.
Two hours later.
As you can see, this is already the finished product of what we have done in few hours of carpentry work, and we made a do-it-yourself mousetrap or rat trap with the use of empty bottle, wooden planks, and small piece of plywood and metal swinger with an alarm system attached to the mousetrap or rat trap so that you will be alarmed and will give you warning that there is already small rats or mouse inside the bottle. The small mouse or the small rat will climb the stairs and go inside the empty bottle to take the food inside, to take the bait inside. So when the mouse or the rat inside the bottle pulls the bait, the metal pin will be released from the metal suspender, and the empty bottle with the added weight of the rat will swing down immediately and switch on the alarm. Like this. Just continue watching my videos and I will show you more some do-it-yourself mouse trap or rat trap or forest chicken trap or domesticated chicken trap in my next videos. Okay? So guys, if you like my video and you learned more from my tutorial of how to make a do-it-yourself mouse trap or rat trap, please like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell button so that you will be notified for my future videos to be uploaded in my YouTube channel. Again, this is the Urban Plant Grower saying thank you very much and goodbye!